talk about how can you mention it in comments on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. When you just click on it, it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on profile, click on it here. Then it's going to take you to your profile. Then all you have to do, so you just go above this sign, click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Click here on settings, click on it here. Then come to next step here. Then you go down. Then you click here on activity filter, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list here. You go down, just keep going down here. Come here to content shared in comments. Click in this sign that like you see this color show for us. That's make content shared in comments enable with us now. Then you go above save, click on it here. Then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.